Welcome to our video on magnetic circuits and BH curves, fundamental concepts in basic electrical engineering. In a magnetic circuit, the closed path channels the magnetic flux, denoted by phi. The coil, with N turns, generates the magnetomotive force, or MMF. Magnetic circuits are analogous to electric circuits. Electromotive force in an electric circuit is similar to magnetomotive force, which is measured in ampere turns. Magnetic flux is analogous to current, and reluctance to resistance. Electric circuits drive current, while magnetic circuits drive flux. The relationship can be expressed as flux equals MMF divided by reluctance, or $phi equals Ni divided by S dollar. The magnetomotive force creates the flux, and the reluctance opposes it. The electrical analogy has physical limits. Unlike current, flux does not physically flow. Air allows flux to pass, and reluctance changes constantly, unlike resistance in basic circuits. In magnetic circuits in series, all parts share the exact same flux. The total magnetomotive force equals the sum of the forces required by each part. When the core divides the flux into multiple paths, they are considered parallel paths. Parallel paths require the same magnetic force, similar to voltage across parallel resistors. Air gaps are sometimes included in the magnetic circuit to provide essential mechanical clearance, such as in rotating machines. Air, however, significantly resists magnetic flux, thousands of times more than iron. This high reluctance of the air gap is a critical factor in circuit design. Air gaps cause flux lines to bulge, a phenomenon known as magnetic fringing. This also leads to magnetic flux leakage into the surrounding air, reducing the effective flux. Magnetic materials do not behave linearly. While air exhibits a linear relationship, materials like iron show a nonlinear response to magnetic force. The BH curve maps these material limits. It shows a linear start, followed by a knee, and eventually reaches magnetic saturation. Magnetic saturation occurs because relative permeability collapses under high flux density. This collapse limits how much magnetic flux a material can carry. Engineers use BH curves to calculate the required force. They find the flux density, read the magnetic field strength H from the curve, and then calculate the MMF. In summary, the coil generates the magnetomotive force, the air gap demands power due to its high reluctance, and the BH curve guides the design to avoid saturation.